Hello, my loves. Welcome back to Turning Wounds into Wisdom. Today, I just wanted to hop on while I had some time and generate a quick collective message for you. I already pre-shuffled my decks for the collective today to get this message out here. I'm just going to cleanse my space, cleanse the deck, cleanse my body and mind, and open up to any spirit messages that need to come through for us. Remember, please take what resonates and leave what does not. And let's get into this. Spirit, universe, ancestors of the highest good, spirit guides, please bring forth any messages that the collective needs to see, hear, and know today. Thank you for your guidance. Thank you for your protection. And thank you for allowing me to read for the collective today. And thank you, collective, for allowing me to read for you today. So let's get into this. I hope you guys had a great weekend. This is a divine, timeless message. So whenever it finds you, that's when it's meant for you. My weekend was great, actually. I got a lot done. And I'm grateful for that. I had a lot of help this weekend from some of my friends to get some things done that I needed to get done. So I'm feeling productive. I'm feeling good. Okay. Spirit, if you could please provide me with a few cards to open up this message for the collective on what we need to hear today, what this message is going to be in regards to. Spirit, if you could please give me a few cards to open this message. The Ace of Pentacles. Whoa. We have the Ace of Pentacles here. The Two of Cups in reverse. The Five of Cups. And the Eight of Cups. So, collective, I can see here that a new opportunity is arising for you. However, you're kind of stuck in the past a little bit. Spirit wants you to know it's okay to move forward from the past. With this Two of Cups in reverse here and the Five of Pentacles, I'm kind of getting the energy that you almost feel guilty for leaving someone behind almost, and moving forward into your future. And then with the Eight of Cups here, and Spirit wants you to understand guilt is not something that you should carry with you into this new opportunity. It's something that you have manifested, that you planted the seeds for, that is coming in for you. And it's okay if you outgrew this situation. But Spirit does want you to know the feeling that almost like you're lacking something because you're not carrying this person through the next portal, the next gateway with you. That feeling is what has to go along with that person. This is a brand new opportunity. It's okay with this Eight of Cups here to walk away from the past into your new beginning, into your future. It's okay. It's okay. Okay, what else? If you could please provide me with a few more cards, Spirit, for this general message for the collective. A few more cards. The Knight of Pentacles we have. Judgment. We have the Knight of Pentacles. Judgment. and the Ten of Wands. So yes, same thing here. It's okay. It's okay to process these emotions. It's okay to feel this way. But the main goal here is to process the emotions around the situation and let them go. Don't be hard on yourself. Don't feel like you're leaving a piece of you behind. And, you know, as you move forward into this new beginning and you grasp onto this new opportunity and all these new things that are going to be coming in for you, it's okay to take your things with you and go. But only take what serves you with this Ten of Wands here. Only take what serves you. You have a brand new beginning waiting for you. All you have to do is let go of the past. You have almost one foot, one leg in the past and one leg in the future type of deal here. And it's okay. It's okay to move forward. So Spirit, could you please provide me with a few cards for any advice on helping the collective move forward? Any advice to help the collective move forward past this? Whoa. Sorry about that. Okay, so we have the Two of Wands and the Queen of Swords here. Yes, brand new opportunity. You're literally waiting for it to arrive. You have your hands out ready to receive it. Spirit wants you to know, yes, use your mind, use your logic on this situation when it comes to the old and the new, what you want to be a part of your future, so on and so forth. So yes, it's coming. Whatever you manifested is coming in for you. Spirit, could you please give us any indication on what type of manifestation this may be in regards to whether it be love, career, housing, travel? We have the Five of Wands and the Lovers. Nice, nice. So this could be a situation. Before I say, can you give me one more on this, actually? One more. One more. One more, please. I don't want to bite my tongue. So one more card of confirmation on this new opportunity coming in, please. The Six of Wands. Yeah, definitely a situation where there's going to be a little bit of competition here with the Five of Wands and the Six of Wands. You're going to need to be ready to be seen and to be heard. And with the Lovers here, that's basically what I feel, a unification of your divine feminine and your divine masculine. You learning to love yourself through this whole process. All of the lessons that you've learned, all of the healing that you've done, including the situations from the past that you're pulling that one leg out of and moving into the future with. This is a divine union between your inner divine masculine and feminine. You are ready to move forward. It's going to be an opportunity where you're going to be seen by the world, where you're going to be able to speak your truth, be authentic in your most authentic form. I'm getting chills. You're going to be able to really get out there and do your thing. Do your thing. Okay, Spirit. Now, is there any advice that you would like to give the collective that they could use moving forward with this situation? Any advice? we have the Eight of Pentacles, Death, and the Seven of Cups. So, just about, we have 2 cards of decision. Also, with your Eight of Cups here, Spirit wants you to understand, just take it slowly. Use your intuition, use your brain, use your logic. Also, use that heart. Use that heart. In making any decisions here on out that are going to help you with your future, that are going to bring you closer to your journey, to your path, to what you're meant to be doing on this earth, to your creative projects, to your purpose in this life. You're going to have ups and downs. You're going to have your challenges. You're going to have your times where you don't feel like you have it all together with this Eight of Pentacles, but that's okay. You have this death and rebirth coming in, and that's going to give, your death and rebirth is going to give you that chance to say, I'm leaving behind the old, I'm moving past this, the delusion, confusion, and I'm knowing my worth, and taking what I know into the future, regardless of the naysayers, regardless of anybody who's going to try and stand in my way. And look at that, the sun on the bottom of the deck. So sunny days from here on out. Just remember, it's okay to process the feelings that you're having. Anxiousness, nervousness. Process it and release it. Let it go. It's okay. Everything's going to be okay, collective. Could you give me a couple cards to close this reading out for the collective? This is amazing. I love this. I love this. Love it. A lot of fire, a lot of emotion with these cups and cups and pentacles here. Wands. Pentacles bringing in your stability. We have the Knight of Swords and the Six of Cups. So, it's coming in quick. This opportunity is coming in quick, and it's going to be in your hands before you know it. It might even be here for some of you and most of you. With the Six of Cups here, again, that's just talking about nostalgia, thinking about the past, thinking about past endeavors. But what you can do and what Spirit recommends you to do, think of all the hard work that you've done to get here. Think of how amazing you are to be able to hold the strength that you hold to get where you are today. All of the lessons that you actually learned and are using the wisdom from, you're extracting that wisdom and pushing forward with that. It's okay to look back on your past and remember, because that's how we gain the knowledge and that's how we gain the wisdom. And that's actually what gives us the push, the drive, and the desire to do better than we've done and to make something of ourselves. Our past is what teaches us so that we know what not to do. And actually, literally wakes us up to the fact that life is a series of lessons. It's just up to us as a soul, as a divine being on this earth, whether or not we take that lesson and move forward and strive and incorporate that into anything that comes along the way. So collective, I hope this message helped today. I am going to be pulling a soul truth card for you for any clarity or advice, something to ponder on. I will post the card in the community section so that you can check it out at some point when I post this video. I do hope this message helped. I hope that it resonated for some of you. And my main goal here is to help the collective heal and raise the vibrations. So let's get you a soul truth card here. Wow, see that? There is a possibility that I'm hearing that some of you don't know exactly what you want to do with your purpose and with your life path. Maybe I should do a reading on that. but it'll come to you. Your intuition will guide you there. So it says, what can I do to make a difference? What keeps you up at night? What makes you cringe when you think about it, such that every ounce of you screams, no more? Where can you create purpose out of your pain? Which is what this entire reading was about. Today's soul action. Make a difference in someone's life today, big or small, because all of it makes a difference. And hopefully, collective, that's what I'm doing here, bringing this message to you. And you can incorporate this into your thinking. What can you do to make a difference? And what are you doing that isn't going to help you or aid you in your future? Remember, it's all lessons. So I hope that helped. Again, I'll be posting this in the community section so that you can check it out. I love you. Thank you for tuning in to Turning Moons into Wisdom. See you next time.